Hi, today we are going to solve a problem using integration by parts, and we can use it while our integral looks like u dv, when u is some function. And here in our example we can use our arctangent of x as u. Let's see. U is equal to arctangent x, so du will be equal to d arctangent x, which is equal to derivative of arctangent x dx, and the derivative of arctangent x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x squared dx. So if it is our u, then our dv will be dx and x multiplied by 1 plus x squared. So dv equals to x multiplied by 1 plus x squared dx. And from here we can find our v. V will be equal to integral. Here we can see x plus x cubed dx, and it is equal to x squared divided by 2 plus x to the power of 4 divided by 4. And here we can put our constants as 0. So we have v, we have u and du, and now we can use our formula. And here we can write that our integral is equal to arctangent x, it is u, then v, which is x squared divided by 2 plus x to the power of 4 divided by 4. And now we need to subtract an integral v du. So here we will write x squared divided by 2 plus x to the power of 4 divided by 4. It's our v. And du, we can see that it's equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x squared dx. So let's put it equals to a. We computed it and it will be a, and now we can and we need to compute this integral. So here we can write that this equation is equal to a minus integral. Here we can write 2x squared plus x to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus x squared, and 1 divided by 4 we can put here, and dx. Now we need to divide x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared divided by x squared plus 1. So here we can put x squared, and let's see, x squared multiplied by x squared is equal to x to the power of 4. Then x squared multiplied by 1 is equal to x squared. And now we need to subtract from this line this line. Well, x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 is equal to 0, and here we can see 2x squared minus x squared equals to x squared. So here we can see that we need to put plus 1, and 1 multiplied by this line will be equal to x squared plus 1, and we need to subtract this line. So from here we can see that it is equal to -1. Well, now we can move here and write a minus 1 divided by 4 integral, and we have here new line equals to x squared plus 1 minus -1 divided by -1 divided by x squared plus 1 dx. And then we will solve this problem. Here we can see that we have integral of dx divided by x squared plus 1. This is an arctangent. So we can write here a minus 1 divided by 4. Integral of x squared is x cubed divided by 3 plus integral of 1 is x. And here we can see minus arctangent x, so plus c, where c is constant from real numbers.